Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials and Legit Mobile. This is the second time I recorded this. It showed my phone number on one of these pages, and I don't want to do that. So, this is the Ava's game. Probably the last video, or second to last video. So we have two more videos that I wanted. This video and the next video. So in this video, it's a continuation of the last video where we did an APK using Construct 3 and we ran it on the phone. It ran great. So now we want to publish to Google Play Store, and what is that like, and what is that process like? So basically, what I need to do in this video is we need to create a Google Play Store developer account. We need to go back to Construct 3. We're going to sign the application, and then we need to publish to Google Play, and then we need to download it on our phone and make sure that we can find it in Google Play and download it, and then install it correctly on the phone without having any sort of this other special permissions thing where we have to send it to ourselves and all these warnings and all that jazz. So we're going to see that all works. And then in the next video, which will be next or this coming week, we're going to try to push an update to the app and see what that workflow is like. So there's a couple things that I want to check, but I want to leave those changes different so that when we get to the game, we can check that those updates have actually changed. So that is something that I want to try as well. So that's probably going to be the last video. If we're done early, then we could do it in this video, and this would be the last video. But I highly doubt it. So let's go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have this on my other screen here, so I'm making sure it's not a whole bunch of my information, because I really don't want to edit it. And so if there's no information, I'll bring it back and then go over here and then go to the next page and then bring it back, and then as long as there's none of my information. So I'm creating the account under the Legit Mobile, and it said in there that it does indeed have a $25 account fee. So I'm going to have my card ready for the $25. So basically, I paid $100 for the application, or for the subscription to Construct 3, and then we're going to pay $25 for the account. But $25 for the account's forever. The subscription for Construct 3 is yearly. So what I might also do is that second video that's going to be this weekend, that's probably going to be a shorter, so I'll also do a review talking about Construct 3 and my thoughts. Alright, so what we're going to do is, right here we're at https developer.android.com/distribute, and basically you sign in using your Google account, because Android is a Google app. That's a Google service. That's why it's called Google Play. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and you're going to go to the top, and then you're going to say launch Play Console. And then I'm going to run this over to my other screen and make sure that there's no other sort of data in here. None of my data. Okay. So let's roll this back. Okay, so this is the Google Play Console, and how you can think of this is not like game console, it's like administration console. So here I'm making sure that my account is correct. Before it was set to my default account, and now this is set now as my default account, and you could set your default account whenever you want. So basically, blah blah blah, following options, blah blah blah. So you can either create a new account or sign in with a different account. And you see here, sign in with your Google account, accept developer agreement, pay registration fee, complete your account details. So see here, I agree and I'm willing to associate my account registration with the Google Play Developer and Distribution Agreement and confirm that I am 18 years of age. Indeed I am. I mean, I can read the whole agreement, but I'm not going to do that. Review the distribution countries where you can distribute and sell applications. No, that's okay. If you are planning to sell apps or in-app products, check if you have a merchant account in country. Make sure you have a credit card handy to pay the $25 registration fee in the next step. Okay, so that's step 3, and then we have step 4, and then we're moving on forward. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue to the payment. Okay, so it pops right up the payment here. So I'm going to go ahead and make that payment here. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to double check everything's correct. And everything looks to be correct. So let's make that purchase. That's $25 on the card there. There we go. Payment is complete. You will receive a receipt by email. Okay, so now it has complete your account details. So no information on here yet. Oh, and it gives me account ID. That's cool, which is just basically a series of numbers. So we've paid the registration fee, and again, it's just a pop-up. I should have showed you that before I entered in my information, but it just has places that you enter in your card number and your zip code. So all the stuff for your card number and then zip code. So developer name, this username is displayed the user's your application name. Change the developer name will be reviewed by Google and could take up to 7 days. That's chill. That will eventually be there. And then I'll enter in my phone number, but off screen, and then complete registration. Okay. Let's keep those off for right now. Legit Mobile at Gmail, and then obviously this website does not exist yet. I do believe I do have the domain name. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I own it. Yeah, it's taken, so I'm pretty sure that I own that domain name. Anyways, so yeah, boom, 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 boom. Okay, phone number. So here's an account ID. It's just a series of random numbers, pretty much, and it's a very, very big number. So I'm wondering if that's how many other members they have on there. So let's go ahead and go into the other page and fill in my phone number and show you guys the next page. Okay, and so I keep all those check boxes missing. I'm going to complete. Okay, so, okay, cool. All right, so here we are. So here I'm logged into my console. Change to withhold tax. I mean, we're not selling anything. Distributing apps in Japan. Interesting. So, order management. What does that mean? I'm curious. I'm just scared that I want to start going over, keep recording because it might leak some of my information or whatever. Okay, so this is like Google Play services, settings. Okay. Okay, so here, interesting. So I'm just kind of looking through it. I'll show you guys any sort of things that I want. Add testers to your apps, testing tracks by creating and managing a list of emails. Developer. So there's a developer page in settings, but I don't have any sort of thing there. Interesting. Benchmarking preferences. So it says that it'll send bots to your app and test it for benchmarking. Benchmark it. Interesting. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys. So here it is. Here, Google Play console. We have all applications. I think there was something here. There was originally something here, I think. There we go. So Play services, are you planning to create paid apps or in-app purchases? You need to set up a merchant account. Are you working in a team? Invite coworkers to Play console. Play services for online and awards and all that stuff. Add social game features to your games on Android and iOS and the web. Or we want to publish an Android app on Google Play. Okay, so pre-launch reports, release with confidence. Wow, this is really good tea. All right. Interesting. There's not really any sort of, like, just like, okay, do this, this, and this. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, title. So basically, I just hit that publish game, whatever, English. So let's see what it says. Okay. We don't need to do tags, and no logo, doesn't need to logo. Wow. Daydream, I think that's Google's VR headset. 4096 by 4096. Wow. Okay, so here's the question. Let's look at the stuff. Featured graphic is required. Interesting. So screenshots is required. High-res icon is required. Full description, short description is required. So what I'm thinking is I'm just going to take maybe a screenshot of one of those pieces from the from that folder when I downloaded it. This one, basically. So loading icon. Where's that loading screen icon it has? So this is a big icon. So this is so what's the details on that? Let's do this here. Extract files. Bam, Ava's game. Okay, so let's look here. Or we could pick one of these images, let's say the cat or something, and then like one of these images or something. Okay, so a video game made for my niece Ava that is for her enjoyment and testing the new game engine Construct 3. Okay, so graphic assets. Let's try dropping one of these in here. What does it say? 512 by 512, so perfect. That'll work. Cool. Screenshot. Okay, so we need a screenshot. So what we'll do is we'll just... Hey, what happened to my... We'll just go here, And what I'll do is I will just take a screenshot here, print screen, paint. So here on my other screen, and I'm just gonna make it smaller, and I'm just gonna cut a piece out of this thing. And crop it right there, screenshot. File, save as JPEG. And what size do you want here? You want 1024 by 500. Okay, so let's resize by pixels, horizontal, 1024 by 500. And 24. Let's just stretch it because I'm worried that it's actually, let's not stretch it. Oops. So 1024 by 970 is what it wants, and that's basically what it looks like. Okay, so file, save as JPEG. Videos, Ava's Game Art, screenshot, 1024 by 977. Okay, so now we could go back, videos, Ava's Game Art, screenshot. Let's try see what happens. You need to resend your graphics according to dimensions. Okay, so we're just gonna have to squash it. There's nothing really that we could do. 90 by 500. Okay, and that's what it looks like. So this is 1024 by 500. Okay, 1024 by 500. Let's try that again. Cancel. Drop it. That's not required. That's not required. Game category. I'm just gonna say music. Okay, so good. So that's good. I don't want to really add tags. I don't really care right now for this particular game. Right, what are we looking at? Oh, we're over halftime. Here we go. Privacy policy. Not submitting at this time. So let's go ahead and save draft. Your application has been saved. Okay, then it says that this is required. So let's go here and see what it says. Google rating. Oh, okay. We're screenshots required. Okay. Screenshots required. Max length for any side. Okay, so let's just do this one then. Let's see what it does. This is the 1024 by 977. There it is. There you go. Okay, so games promo video we do not need. Everything else here looks good. Good. Okay, so how do we says no APK loaded yet. So how do we do that? Okay, it says no APK loaded yet. So let's work on signing our APK here. So let's go ahead and we're going to go here and we're going to go project, export. We want to do Android. Oh man, I didn't save it. That was in project properties. Com dot app name, com dot the legit mobile Ava's game. Email the legit mobile at gmail.com. Steven Mossbrucker. HTTP blah 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 the legit mobile.com. Obviously that website is not hosted, there's nothing there, so you don't have to worry about that. And then this is basically some of the stuff that we're going to change in the update. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, well, I could save that later, but right now, file, project, export, Android, oh, description, all right, description, game for my niece Ava for her enjoyment, but mainly to test Construct 3 game engine. Okay. My cat wants to go out. Give me 1 second. I guess not. Okay. So we got that. We got that done. So let's try to export. Project export. Android next. Deduplicate. Advanced next. Okay, so in this case we want to do Lollipop and we want to do signed release APK. Create a key store. First and last name. Validity 10 years, sure. Key store password and that jazz. So let me put this underneath. Let me move this to the other screen so I can do my password. Okay, so I just downloaded the key store. Basically, this is what it said here. So blah blah blah, you've done this, you've done it right, blah blah blah. You've done key store, blah blah blah. And then your SSA is worth writing down, and you need this to plug in. So I think that's what goes there, the key name. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I downloaded the key store, it's good. I believe that's the key name. So let me go ahead and we go. Cool. Oh, and I'm just going to send an email to myself with that key name, which was that long character. What the heck? Okay. Choose video, okay. I'm going to compose to, so it's minifying the legitmobile@gmail.com. So I'm going to call this Ava's game key, and I'm going to do that key, and also I'm going to put the newly created key store and drop it in there. So now I could send it to myself. Cool. There we go. Easy peasy. All right. So now we have downloaded it. It should have been downloaded. Oh wait, no. Sorry, build service preparing. Okay. So we got that done. Let's double check everything in here is good. And we're actually almost to 30 minutes here. So let's look that up. How to okay, here, upload an app. Google Play Console. Create an app, Play Console. Select all applications, create applications. Create the App Store listing, which I did. This thing's hung up here. There we go. Okay. Content rating. I need to upload APK. Pricing and distribution. Free. I'm just gonna say, well, I don't care. Available. Contains ads? No. Manage Google Play. Huh. No, it does not have ads. No. Okay, save draft. Okay, to get your app ready, prepare and roll out releases. Package names of app files are unique and permanent, so please pick blah blah blah. Set up your store listing, product, blah blah. Next day. How do you publish? Confirm to roll out. So store listing. Okay, here we go. App signing. You should upload an APK to enroll this. Go to app releases. There we go. App releases. Production. Okay, so production. Create release. Okay, so this should be done. Unfortunately, the project failed to build. The build log is included in below. Oh, so I think I made a mistake there. So let's go project export Android advanced. So what I think, clear all this stuff. So let's see. Well, let me do this without. Okay. So, manage pressure app key citing. Okay. Okay, these app bundles and APK will be served in the Play Store after the rollout of this release. Release name, Avis game. What's in this release? Okay, so here we go. Transfer in progress. Preparing project. I really need to go to the bathroom. Give me 1 second while this is loading. Okay, guys. Looks like we got another error. So, we're over time anyways. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure this out. And next time, it looks like probably the best idea is to pre-sign. It says this key store does not contain a key. Oh, so we have a key store and then we have to put the key in the key store, I think. So I'll do some more research on this and we'll figure it out. So could you go with no pre looking into this stuff? Can you go on to, if you have a game, can you sign it, create a Google Play account and publish it in 30 minutes? You cannot. If you've not put in a whole bunch of the stuff to be able to sign it and do all that stuff, do all that prior research. So what we'll do is, it is indeed going to take us another video to do it, and we will do it correctly, and I'll show you guys the correct way of doing it, and then we'll have one more video after that where we do an update. We update the app on Google Play Store, and then that will be it for this series. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys this weekend. Take it easy. Peace.